Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to be planning in my Dollar Tree planner, which is inside of this Pen and Gear Traveler's Notebook from Walmart. And again, the insert that I'm using is from the Dollar Tree. Okay, here we go. So this is last week's spread, and this is somewhat filled out. Did pretty good. So let's move on, take this out, and we're going to move on to the next week. So we're going to move on to the next week, which is the 13th through the 19th. It's getting a little more bulk on the left side, but we're going to work with it. And I wanted to kind of challenge myself this week. And so I'm going to try and use these Dollar Tree stickers for this spread. So let's pop these open, and I actually have two of them, but I'm going to do a giveaway for this set, I believe. And then I have another little book from the Dollar Tree that I'm going to also give away. So stay tuned if you're interested in that. Let's pop this open. And while I'm planning, I may think of a few other things that I might want to include in that giveaway. Okay, so we get 2 sheets, I believe. Okay, so this is what we have to work with. Of course, I'll have to supplement with my own printable stickers and stuff like that, but let's get started. I think I can use this washi with this. And that may be the only washi I use. I don't know, we'll see. I really would like to use my yellow washi too. I'm trying not to use that on every spread, but I might as well. I mean, it's summertime, so I might as well put it to good use, right? Where's my yellow washi? I haven't used this one. I think that would look nice. Yes. Let's see, I haven't used this one either. I think we'll stick with the yellow and purple. Can't get it open. Ooh, and I didn't pick out a doll. I'm getting bad about that lately. Okay. Let's roll with it. And I think I'll probably end up using some more of the colorful boxes from the Happy Planner too, because I found that I liked writing in the boxes on last week's spread. So for up here, we're gonna do some florals. Okay. Nope. Let's put down the days, and maybe that'll give me a little more inspiration. So let's see. And this is a freebie that's available in the shop on my website at scrapcraftastic.com. I'm going to use the dark purple, and I'm going to put it in the center. Am I? Or am I just going to do it traditionally and put it on the side? Let's stay traditional today and do them on the side. But I am going to come over on this side and do this, I think. Hopefully I won't regret that, depending on what numbers I use. And you probably already know I'm leaning towards my big numbers, but I used them last week. I gotta stop using the same ones every week. That's not cool. Okay, so I'm just gonna do it again. I'm gonna go right back to using my numbers. These are available to patrons, but they are also available in my shop at Scrapcraftastic. So let's just do it. I think I need to make these in different colors too. And these are I wouldn't say hand letter. I wrote these. I made these with my own handwriting. I wouldn't consider this hand lettering at all. But yeah, this isn't something you can just get anywhere else if you're interested. I think I said this in my catch-all plan with me. The weekend always causes problems with the stickers. But it's just have to overlook the weekend for being difficult. And I can always move that if I want to later. So I need to print and cut some more of these. But because this is such a florally, pastel-y spread, I wanted to give it a little pop. So I'm gonna move this over so that I can get more use out of this one. For one. Then I'm gonna pop her right here. Hopefully she'll stick right there. Maybe I need to move her over a little bit more so that mostly just her shoulder goes over to the other page. I think that'll be better. And she'll stick better like that. Let's see. These are from Fabulously Creative, and she tends to have a few quotes in them. So let me see if I can find a little quote, because it does need something on here. Okay. Let's see. I think I might cut this apart and let it run across. Let's see if I can do this without making a mess, because some of these letters are really tight right here. Yes, no, maybe. So I didn't use a bunch of these, so I could probably come up with another spread with these, and I may do that at a later date. But I think that is it for this food diary plan with me. Let's pop this back in here. So I put the wrong number, so I need to correct that. And I know you were probably yelling at me through the screen, through the video, that you got the wrong numbers. But yeah, I eventually figured it out. So let's fix it now. See if I can salvage that 20. And then move this down here. Move this right here. Okay, and also after looking at it and seeing that, I also decided that I wanted to come back in and add the polka dots to the other spots as well. Because even though I just wanted to complement some areas, it kind of looked naked where there was no dots, so. I think that's better and more balanced. And now I think we're actually done. I think. What do you think? I think it's pretty nice considering the majority of this, well, a lot of the stickers are from Dollar Tree. Okay, so that's it for this food diary plan with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for live craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.